Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unknown USB device descriptor request failed. So guys, to resolve this problem, click on Start, type Device Manager, open Device Manager. Now here guys, you will see USB root hub. So right click on it and click on Uninstall Device. Again click on Uninstall Device. And guys, if you have more than one, so similarly second one, right click on it and uninstall device. Now guys, close it and restart your PC or laptop, and after restart, hopefully guys, this issue and problem will be fixed. Unknown USB device descriptor request failed problem will be resolved. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.